Yes, beta, good morning. After exams, this is your first class. I hope you have performed well and soon you will be getting to know your results only, okay? So read the date sheet for further information. Whatever is written as per the date, you will be getting your results, fine? And the rest of the information I will be putting in the WhatsApp group also. Clear? So today we'll be doing classified advertisement, beta, very important short writing skill. You will get this writing skill either for 4 marks or 5 marks, and you can score full marks in this by following few simple steps. Okay, so just keep noting down. I will be asking you to show your notebooks in between, and you have to show it that whether you have noted down or not. Anybody who's not showing, that child is absent for me. Okay, so these are the value points, you can say categories, sorry, of classified advertisement. These are the, you can say a few only. There are numerous categories of classified advertisement. Now, what is a classified advertisement? You might have seen when you open the newspaper that there is one ad for some vacancies there in a school. They want a teacher wanted, fine, a manager wanted, salesman required. Such kinds of categories are there. That falls under the category of situation vacant. Sometimes, you can also offer your services to companies. Suppose you have done engineering, you have done, you can say completed your graduation in commerce. So you can also provide your services. In that classified ad, you will be telling your qualification, your experience, pay and perks, which you are expecting from the company. Fine. Doesn't mean only company can give advertisement. So that case becomes situation wanted. Clear? If you are providing your services. Clear? So situation vacant and wanted is the first category. You might have seen advertisements regarding matrimonial. You might have seen regarding lost and found, sale and purchase, to-let services. To-let services are when you give something on rent. Fine. To-let services fall into that category. When you let out a portion of your house on rent, you're not selling it off. Actually, you are giving it on rent only. That falls under the category of to-let. Lost and found, educational, sometimes tuition services somebody is providing, sometimes some competitive exam services somebody is providing, sometimes even people, selling out their notes. They have passed their competitive exam, they want to sell their notes. Fine. So such kind of things fall into the category of educational. Clear? Then we have beta packers and movers, or movers and packers. Both way is correct. Suppose you have shifted to another city. Clear? You're going to, you're living in Chandigarh. Your father got shifted to transfer, you can say transfer to Delhi. Then you have to, your whole things should be packed and sent there in Delhi. And movers and packer services are provided by many companies. Though those who come to your house, they pack your things in such a way that they don't get damaged on the way, and they charge for this. Fine. Even from within the city also, sometimes if you want the services to shift your things from one place to another. Then travel and tourism is there. You have seen many companies these days are providing, you can say, services for travel and tourism, that we will be providing sightseeing, you can say brunch facility or one-time meal and package of 3 days, 2 nights, 50,000. In that way, they just tell the amount also. They tell the destinations. Sometimes it is south side. Sometimes it is like fine international tours also. So in that way, the agencies are advertising their services through classified advertisements only. Fine. So I have just given you introduction that there are various categories, but these are a few only. More than that, we would be doing. This is just one glimpse. Fine. And we'll be starting from situation vacant today. Now I told you that what classified advertisements are and what sort of ads you can see in the newspaper. Now second thing is now word limit. Most of us don't know. We just think that more we write, more marks we will be getting. Yes or no? In classified advertisement, word limit is up to 50 to 60 words only. Clear? You can write it down, 50 to 60 words. 50, I'm saying. Clear? And in this, you won't be writing complete sentences. Clear? In English, otherwise we deduct marks if a child writes phrase or word and doesn't write complete sentence. But in classified advertisement, you would be using words and phrases only. You will not be writing complete sentences. Why? Because, you know, when you give advertisement in the newspaper, there is huge charges, you can say, you have to pay. There are 100 rupees per word sometimes. It varies from newspaper agencies to newspaper agencies in that way. Sometimes the word is 50 rupees per word, 60 rupees per word, or 100 rupees per word. So you have to be very, very concise and specific, but more information within few words you have to provide. Don't leave any information, provide each and everything. Every information should be there, but in the forms of words and phrases. We will do one example that will be clear to you. Okay, so word limit is 50-60 words only. Most of the information should be given in words and phrases. And at last, the contact number and email ID must be there. Clear? Contact number and email ID is must, because that's why people will be able to contact you. Fine. If you are giving your advertisement, you are the owner of a company or you are the principal of a school, you are giving advertisement that you need teachers, then you will be mentioning your requirements here. At the end, you will be providing your address and phone number should be there, so that a person who wants to join your services can call or send you an email. So this is the part of the format. Okay. So let's start with situation vacant. I would be sharing the screen with you all now so that you can see maximum number of, and better this should be written in a box only. Okay, box is must. You have to focus here on kinds of classified advertisements. Firstly, let's start. Situation vacant or wanted, lost and found, sale and purchase, accommodation wanted. Sometimes you want a place, educational, placement services. What do you mean by placement services? When some companies, better sometimes, you know, they are having the data of various places. So you go to placement service and you tell your qualification that this is what I have done. They will be telling you, okay, this vacancy is vacant at this place, you can apply there. They will be telling you as per your qualification and experience, they will be referring you to the required destination. Okay. Then we have matrimonial, fine, bride wanted, groom wanted, in that way. Then we have to-let services. In this, we give on rent. We are not selling our things off. Tuitions, packers and movers, I have discussed. Now, what is the category of kennel? Sometimes this is the category of better animal pets you might have seen. Kennel is the dog house. So it related to kennel, sometimes, you know, many categories are there. You want to purchase a dog, a pug dog, gold retriever, Pomeranian. Fine. There are various, you can say, kinds of dogs are there. Breeds are there. So sometimes dog houses are available. You want to sell it off. Sometimes somebody is having puppies, wants to sell it off. Sometimes you want to purchase. Anything can be. Sometimes the dog is lost even. Fine. So many categories I'm telling you. Under one category, there are n number of further subcategories. Then travels and tours I've already discussed with you. Now, necessary information. Let's start with situation vacant. Kindly note down. This highlighted information. Specify the post and number of vacancies. The very first thing I would be telling you how to write. Fine. In the classified advertisement in this box. First of all, beta, you will draw a box. Clear? After drawing a box, you will give the heading. What is the heading here? Situation vacant. Vacant means empty, khali hai. Situation means post. Clear? So heading would be situation vacant. I'm going to check the notebooks. Okay. After that heading situation vacant, beta, you will be specifying the name of the post and number of vacancies. How you can say English teachers required. So English teachers is that designation, or you can say the name of the post. Then you can mention accountants required. You can start with this post. Salesmen required. Fine. Then you will mention the number of vacancies, bracket in within the bracket also, or you can also start with the number that 2 salesmen required. In that way also, you can start by telling the number first and name of the post later on. That's up to you. You just go through the classified ads beta in newspaper. You will have fair idea. Then qualities of the person required. What sort of qualities you want? It beta varies from post to post. Suppose if you want front desk executive. In previous days, you can say previous era, we would call it receptionist. But these days, the term receptionist has been changed. We call it front desk executives. So if you want front desk executives, person should be smart. What are the qualities? Person should be smart, should have good communication skills. Fine, should be able to handle everything smartly. But you are not supposed to write in complete sentences. You will be using phrases and words. Should have computer knowledge. You can write computer knowledge is must. Then name of the company optional. You can tell the name of your company that J&K Publications requires front desk executives. Fine. Bracket में 2 should be smart. Computer knowledge must. Fluency of Hindi, English and Punjabi required. Salary as per experience or salary 20,000 plus, in that way. Clear? Pay scale and perks. Now what is pay scale? That is the salary, and perks are the other advantages that you will be giving. Sometimes some companies, they give DA and TA. DA is dearness allowance, TA is traveling allowance, but it is not the same with each and every company. Fine. So some companies give bonus on particular occasions like Diwali and all. So these categories, extra income falls in the category of perks. Okay. Pay scale is fixed. Perks are additions to it. Sometimes it is based on commission, that more clients you will be adding, more perks you will be enjoying. Fine. So mode of applying, that apply within, apply online or apply via email. Fine. Within fortnight, within 2 weeks, or you can say you can give a date also. Apply before 20th July, apply before 30th July, in that way. Contact address and phone number is must at the end. Fine. I repeat, those who have joined later, beta, we are doing classified advertisements. We have started. First category is situation vacant. Okay. Have you noted down all the value points? Fine. I'll be seeing the notebooks, and let's jump up to sample now. See. Yeah. This is the one example, beta. This is the statement. Let's do one sample of situation vacant today. You are general manager of IV Software Solutions, Agra, Kent, Agra. You need a software engineer for your organization. Draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in the Times of India. Now, many of you will think that name of the newspaper is given, the Times of India, and I would be writing it. No, you have nothing to do with this name. Fine, you have nothing to do with the name of the newspaper. Your concentration should be what is asked. You need a software engineer. So you are the general manager. This is your designation. This is the name of your company. This is given to you. This is your city, Agra. And what you need is software engineer. You have to invent other details in 50 words. So let's do it. Situation vacant. Firstly, you will give the heading within the box, not outside the box. Mind it. You will draw a box first. It should be closed box from all the 4 sides. Firstly, you will draw all 3 sides, beta. From beneath or from below, you just make it open. Firstly, you just keep on writing your content. When your content is over, then close the box. This is a small tip, how to make your box presentable, okay? Then wanted software engineer for IB Software Solutions, a leading name in computers. Candidate should possess master's degree in computer software. Fine. You can also, better, they have written in one running sentence, you can use commas to bifurcate also. Programming, comma, at least 3 years experience, comma, computer knowledge must, full stop. Remuneration, no constraint. Remuneration is that, beta, wages only. Clear? This is the remuneration, means wages only. Remuneration, no constraint for suitable candidate. It means if you have experience, if you are suitable as per our requirement, we will give as per your experience only. Apply with detailed resume within 10 days to General Manager, IB Software Solution, Agra, Kent, Agra. Now, one problem is there in this advertisement. What is that? You tell me. Come on, fast. Something is missing here. What's that? If anybody could see it. Yes, very good, Anjali. Drishti, you can speak, beta. Drishti, you can speak.
Phone number or email ID.
Yes, phone number and email ID. So Anjali has given me in the chat box. Many students are writing the answers. Very good. Ramanjit has given. Anjali has given. Fine. And Drishti has raised hand. Obviously, she has given answer. So well done to those. You should be quick enough to perceive. They have not mentioned any contact number or email ID. Where to contact them? Though they have given the address of their company, IB Software Solutions, but email ID, phone number, fine, it should be there. Then only person will be able to contact the person, okay? So how you would be writing? Let me tell you the... Yes, beta. So here, firstly, you will be writing the heading, situation vacant. Here. To software. Let me remove the mic. I'm not able to write, and then I will speak and explain to you, okay? See, I have written 2 software engineers required by IB Software Limited. So basic information, that number of posts, name of the post and name of the company in one go. Clear? Maximum information in limited words you have to give. Now you start telling about the qualities and experience you need. Must have 2 years experience. Some students have joined from mobile, so that's why I'm speaking. If you're not able to read, okay. So must have 2 years experience. Then you will be telling about pay and perks or salary best in the industry. You can also say that. Salary as per qualification and experience. Fine. So sometimes some more, there are candidates who are having more experience, they are more well qualified. So they will be given salary as per their qualification and experience. And sometimes you can mention also, you can mention the package for engineers like 5 lakhs, 8 lakhs, 10 lakhs as per the company. Fine. So it is not per month, I'm telling, yearly package I'm saying. Okay. So per month also you can tell 80,000, 1 lakh per month in that way. You can mention as well as you can write like that also. Clear? Rest, anything else you want to add up, you have to. This is not enough. Fine. You can also tell about the perks. You can also tell about when to apply. Clear? And then we will be writing contact on the left side. As you can see, you are not supposed to write your own mobile numbers. Okay. 98141 like dash 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 cross 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 I have put up over there. So you need to give one number at last in that way. You need not write your own personal number. Fine. So apply within a week to general manager, add this. So you got an idea, better this information is fine, but you can add more features I have already discussed with you all. You can talk about perks and other facilities available. Fine. Sometimes pick and drop services are also available, that company sends their own vehicle to pick and drop and all, for especially for girls or at odd times of hour. So many things are there. You have to be innovative. Clear? You have to be innovative. What you can add in situation vacant. Clear? Now, one very important thing is you must know the qualification, beta. You must know the qualification of various professions. If you do not have the sound knowledge, how much time is left? Let me see. We have just 5 minutes. Okay. So, suppose you get situation vacant for teachers, school teachers. For school teachers, we need post graduation in that subject and B.Ed along with experience. Fine, I would be telling you later on, then you will be taking notes of each and every qualification, because most of you might not be knowing even for what post, what qualification is required. So this situation vacant is going to enhance your knowledge. Fine. So for software engineer, you might be knowing we need B.Tech, we need M.Tech. Qualification is B.Tech and M.Tech. Let's have a word about this now. You people would be telling me. If you are not able to, then I will tell you. Okay. Firstly, show me your notebooks. Those who have noted down. Let me appreciate some students. Just show me your notebooks where you have noted down. You're noting down for yourself, not for the teacher. Remember, yes, Sanjali is going to show via Sahajpreet Kaur. Yes, well done, beta. Well done. Beautifully writing, the way we write while sitting in the classroom only. Yes, Khyati, well done, beta. Kusimran Khosla, beautifully written. Then we have Sahajpreet Kaur, Dia, Anjali. What about the boys? Ramanpreet, Ramanjeet, kahan gaye? Drishti has not shown, Mitali has not shown to me. Divnoor Kaur has written, very good beta, well done, well done. Drishti likha to hai, but show it to me. I'm just saying that you are doing for yourself. These notes are going to help you. Yes, show it to me, Drishti beta. Very good. Yes, well done. Don't hesitate, because you have already given exams while sitting in front of us. So why to hesitate? Whenever I would be asking you to switch on the cameras, you should not shy it away, okay? Otherwise, you will be remaining underconfident all the time. So Raman is going to show or not? Naman and Raman, those rhyming words. Will you show your notebooks to us? Maybe they have not completed. Okay. Okay, camera is not working. Manjot is okay. Fine, beta. It's okay. it's not to, win any badge. It's just to appreciate the efforts made by you people also. It is difficult for you also sitting in front of having more screen time and learning through it. So I appreciate the efforts made by all of you. So you have any doubt regarding the format, beta? It's clear to all of you how to write classified ad, because there are many categories. We will be trying to complete all the categories within these 3 days. So they're difficult if you do not attend the lecture. It becomes very easy for you to attempt, and you will be having regular tests. I would be sharing the test schedule today also. Regular tests from this week onwards, the way it was going previously. You have to appear. So this week you can have objective test, and next week you will be having subjective in that way, automatic way. Fine. So anybody can tell me what is the qualification required for a doctor? You are the would-be doctors. Qualification required. Suppose any hospital needs a doctor. What advertisement? There would be MBBS. Sahajpreet is the first one to answer. MBBS is there. What else? What is the full form of MBBS? Anyone can raise hand and speak. MBBS or BSc minimum, Brahmaji is saying. What else? Let me check your knowledge, the would-be doctors, how much you know about your profession. MD medicine, very good, Kati, I was waiting for this. PhD, yes, Diljit is saying, in particular branch you can do. What is the full form of PhD, Diljit? You know that? BDS, Dignor says, BSc nursing, Sahajpreet says, well done. See, you have explored all the branches of medicine. I'm reading your answers in the chat box. Very good. So you have knowledge of, because you have opted this stream maybe. If I asked you, tell me what is the qualification required to be a school counselor? Dia is lost. What? School counselor. A counselor is one who counsels. It's not that counselor. This is the counselor in which we write the spelling SCOUNSELLOR. Counselor who counsels the students for coming out of depression, helping and telling about various, you can say, career options, what to choose, what not to choose. Counselors are there in various schools these days or in colleges and universities. This came in one of the, you can say, board exam, and students were thinking what to write. The qualification to be a counselor is you must have post graduation in psychology. You might not be knowing it. Psychology. Psychology is the study of human behavior otherwise, but in which you read about various career options also. Fine. Sometimes there are diplomas in career guidance and counseling also. So many kinds of qualifications are there. You must know. What is the qualification of becoming a physical education teacher? Because we don't want to become one, we don't read about it, right? So your homework is read about various professions, that which qualification is required to become what. So bell has gone. I'm going to end this meet. Your homework is to search what is required to become a teacher, what is required to become doctor. You have given answers to me. What is required to become an engineer, what is required to become an accountant, sales manager, fine, counselor, physical education teacher, or various subject teachers, or you can say, you can read about being CAs. Here, many professions you can search, and I would be asking you tomorrow, and then we'll continue our next topic classical tests. Okay, have a nice day, and kindly send your consent forms right now. Okay, I'm waiting for it.